Hello YouTube. Well, I'm finished working on this Lowrey Organ amp power supply. I guess that's what we'll call it, amp slash power supply. I'm amazed that there's no model number stamped on here anywhere. Yeah, you can see all the electrolytics that Chris changed, thinking that that was where his hum problem was coming from, but we figured it out. I just got done replacing the slow blow fuse. There's a 2 amp slow blow fuse in this unit. The one that was in there was blown. I don't know what happened. Was he working on it and he bumped the 2 connectors together, because like right here is like one side of the line and right here is the other side of the line. So all you have to do is short these 2 terminals together and boof, you definitely get an explosion. But yeah, I'm eager to have him plug this into his organ. I don't want to really try to test it without plugging it in, because God only knows if something else can go wrong. But yeah, I can't wait for him to plug this in and try it. Yeah, we'll see what happens. And I found it's not totally accurate, but I did find a schematic for the power amplifier. You can see it here. There's the 2 transistors I changed. And this camera keeps going in and out of focus. It's getting me crazy. Come on. There we go. Thank you. Yeah, so that's the part of the power amp. I see it operates on 55 volts. And then I believe this resistor here is the one that you have to change or modify for bias control. I read a little bit about it in the descriptions. Here's the schematic Chris gave me. I don't know if this is the right model, but this is the one he gave me. But it doesn't show anything that has to do with the amplifier itself. It's just like the basic power supply, so it wasn't that useful to me as far as being a troubleshooting aid. But yeah, like I said, we figured it out. I got it. I'm confident this thing's going to work when we plug it in. More later. Thanks for watching.